Okay, y'all feel like you're sitting on the back porch? All right now. Now, Sister Holmes, you looking right professional with your gloves on. And eating it right proper, too. I mean, you're doing a great job. Frederick, how is it? Did you have a good time? You did? You had a fun time? Crystal, that's a fat one there. Lord. Wait, he is overweight. That's a big shrimp. My goodness, girl.
I'm finna kill him some more.
Well, now how is the teacher in the group doing over here?
Doing pretty good.
Where the students at? Are all these your students?
Right here.
That's the student right there? Right there? Well, now how's Mr. Vic? Mr. Vic, you enjoying the shrimp, the crab?
Love it.
All right. Sister Valerie, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Well, I'm going home and get me a nap.
Right now?
When I go home. Let me ask you, are you all going out on the town this evening, or are we having Bible study or what? I don't know if we're going to be too full. Are y'all going to be too full to get online tonight? Y'all want to take this one off and come back next Thursday?
Well, I don't know what they want to do.
What you want to do?
Got a little slight headache, but when I get through home, if this headache ain't gone, I'm gonna lay down for a minute.
Okay.
And if y'all want to have Bible study, I'll be up there.
Well, all right, Valerie. Now you the teacher. So what is the teacher saying? I'm down with the teacher. Are you going out with your honey love this afternoon? I know sometime on. Are y'all gonna continue the date after you finish this?
What's up with y'all?
I'm fine either way. I'm cool either way. All right, now how was it, Brother Anthony?
It was lovely.
All right, now so you ready to go on be with the gang and work tonight? Now, right?
You ain't gonna get no workout here.
That ain't gonna get no work. John, how's it going over there?
This is really amazing.
It is. It really is. I think it's an interesting thing to do. You kind of make you feel like you're out, but yet you're on the back porch eating. I enjoyed it. I really did. And I enjoyed hanging out with you guys today. I really, really did. I really, really did. All right, let's go down here and see what they're talking about. All right, Minister Benita, how's it going over there? All right, you fool. I see you done tied it up and got it all full. Deacon Carl, what you got to say about it? Hey, Bishop, what's up? Hey, Nina. All right. Minister Peggy, what you feeling down there?
Fine.
She's feeling fine. She's feeling fine. She's rubbing that corn around in there. And that corn is so seasoned.
For this fellowship.
All right, the fellowship was great. What's up?
My co-teacher
And what did the co-teacher say?
said she think we can take it off.
Well, we'll take it on off tonight. It's all right because I figured after we had so much fun and Jesus has been in the midst of us, we'll just go home tonight. But we'll be back next Thursday night, God willing, and we're going to let the Lord have his way. But every now and then you have to kind of come aside, and I figured we had a good outing today, so we've been in fellowship one with the other. Thank you all so much for coming. I don't know what's on the list for next, but something is going to come up after this. You might know. I'll get to thinking soon. Have a blessed day and an amazing day. God bless.